This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can check the level of magnetic interference on this drone. So first you will need to launch the FIMI Navi Mini app, then go into camera view and launch settings. Here select the first category, the topmost category, then scroll down a little bit, and here you'll find the amount of magnetic interference, which this little app measures in, well, 3 levels. So I guess there should be 4 levels in total, so none, low level of interference, medium, and high. So mine is low now. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.